it's been a while, but I'm back. And don't mind my dog. She always gets excited when we're like driving around trees and grass and all that good stuff. So we just went to Staten Island to pick up some weight. We're finally gonna make this weight plate. We're gonna make this weight plate, and the goal here is to get that done and then get it off to the body shop. So originally I had planned to put the lip back on for the bumper, because the bumper did come with a lip. I'm gonna insert a picture of that like now. Yeah, we cut that off. Now the car looks like this. So I kind of put some ideas together. I have a cool idea. I want to see how it works out. I'm going to talk to my fab guy about it. The car's already there. I actually dropped the car off and I said, yo, let me run and go get the plates. I'll be right back. So I'm bringing him the materials for him to get to work and chop that out. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Now hopefully I can get rid of like at least a great portion of the sand that's in the car, and have weights that are basically removable. You know, that's kind of the whole plan and the whole idea for doing this in the first place. I don't even want to guess what the hell this weighs. We have to take a forklift to get in there. And we're planning on putting the two of these 2/4 inch plates, make 1/2 inch. We'll put the two of those together. Hello, we see you. We see you. All right. Car plates. Got to turn that into something productive for that. And let that guy figure all that out. Yeah, the whole purpose of this is basically, you know, to just get as much as the weight forward in the car as possible. And, you know, just offset the fact that there's a whole engine and transmission and everything else that's normally in the front and the back of the car. Even in cars that have engines in the front, depending on the drivetrain, still want to put weight up front. So there's a lot going on there, but that'll help tremendously. It'll also help aerodynamically. So there's a lot to gain, in my opinion, by doing this. And then also, as far as the plate is concerned, there are individual weights that can get placed on top of the weight plate as well. So I'm looking forward to it. We'll go from there. Yeah, to go. So we're here because Amin is gonna powder coat these wheels, so the drag wheels anyway. Yo, let me get this off so we... But I got these next to each other and stacked because that top tire is a 26 by 10. That's technically my drag wheel, which is a 24.5 by 9.5. Really isn't that far off, is it? Interesting. Look at how fire this is. My man is putting in work. Added tabs to the actual plate on both sides. So that should really introduce some serious rigidity. Look at this gap. This is dope. It's a nice little step. It's gonna be a nice little addition here. So just to put a little bit of finishing touches in this particular video, one of the things that I've been trying to get sorted out was like this whole hot restart issue with my car, where I'm like stuck at the end of the track like this. Woo! That's what I'm talking about! I don't want that happening anymore. So, what I did is to put myself to try to do this pump setup. So, I'm gonna add this Walbro, which is Planet External 255. Comes with this install kit, which is pretty cool. Comes with fittings. Pretty sure there are some rough things in there, right? And there is some. Let's see. So this is like a surround pump. These are actually the push-on fittings. Not exactly the fittings I was trying to use. Kit says it does come with AMs. Not here, which means it's one of the things I buy. Anyway, I want to get these fittings here in dash 6. Run them from the tank, the pump to the mechanical fuel pump, just to give it some actual fuel when it's like boiling hot after a pass. So that's the plan with that. That should take care of this. That's what this actual Summit order was for. But it looks like I'm gonna have to make one more, just for those two things for the pump. So, but that's cool. This is a bunch of just dash 6 hardware. There's two purposes for these. Actually, one of them is to make a drain for the bottom of my dry sump pump, because where it's mounted, I can't actually get to the drain. So I'm going to mount the drain with some dash 6 line externally. And finally, just a Joe's, because I've been using this, with the tire pressure valve. The one I have goes to like 60 pounds. I wanted a low pressure one, just to be able to tire pressure gauge to be able to, read the air and adjust the rear slick. So this one will literally be just for the slicks. So the one I have is, it's good to have something so you can go down in increments of, as you can see, this is 15, that's 14. We got 4 steps in the middle at a quarter pound each. And a quarter pound can make a huge difference, So this is specific to the car. This brand's been pretty good to me. I already have one. All the rest of the stuff is just dash 6 hardware. To be able to just plumb this pump, to the rest of the car. So that's that. And here's something really cool that I got that I've been wanting to do for a long time. These are lug nuts from my boy Damien at the Lac. So what's awesome about these are all titanium. Take the abuse of getting hit with an impact gun. I was gonna buy the aluminum, but I was like, you know what, fuck it, hit these. I know I will probably forget, hit it, and fuck them up. So I'm like, all right, let's get these out of the package. The biggest difference between these and say like the Weld, like shank style, the Weld uses a washer here. Like this is a washer. I'm pretty sure it's like spins off or something, but this washer actually is built in. Now that I think about it, I don't know, I gotta play with that one. I got 2 hands. But the cool part is that this is titanium. This flat surface right here won't gouge into the actual surface of the wheel like the Welds did, because it's just like a little washer, and then the back of it sits like this. Just literally, it looks like this, and if I put a washer in front of this. So if I did that, this end would crush the washer, and then it does that to the face of the wheel. So when you use these, with this flat surface here, it keys into the hole for the wheel, but then not only that, this flat surface sits on the flat edge of the wheel and doesn't ruin the wheel every single time you're taking it on and off, which is something we do with dry cars, right? So pretty cool, and I mean, we're saving weight, we're saving rotational mass at the end of the day. So it's like, how could you beat that? I don't know how much I saved. I plan to kind of weigh all of these at the end of the day and see, just how much I'm saving here. But I want to say that at least, you know, 5 of these probably weighs what 10 of the welds one do. You know, they're really heavy. They're pretty stout. Between the nuts and the washers, you know, we're talking about, I mean, who knows? We'll see. We'll find out exactly what it is. Maybe I'll do that in the next video. So, excited for that. All right, so these are my wheels. And here we are with the new lugs, as again. Check this out. So you see how this is completely flat, right? And this is what happens with the weld lugs, right? You see how that washer is almost like, I don't want to say elongated, but like oval. And from the years of constantly tightening and taking off, not even years, this happens like almost right away. Every time you put it in, look what it does to the washer. And then also look what it does to the wheel. You see how it makes that horrible engraving? So, on top of these being lighter, right? When you put them in, you know, they take up the entire space. It's perfect. So, wheels have found themselves in an acid hell. You can't see anything, but they're in there. Ah, you're fishing? There it is.
Smell it.
All right. Halfway ready for their new look.
Soon. Let's see if we got anything out. What else we got in it? Another one. This is another one.
All right.
Heating up. Colors coming off.
That's the welds.
Oh, those are the welds. Sorry.
And there's the fucking
This one's
the Balax.
nice and
Flex.
sharp.
Literally is like fishing. That's funny. Oh, these are both of the
There you go. Colors are
centers
on some of it.
and the bead locks.
Yeah.
Finally, so look at that. Next day. So
Weld
this is-
wheels.
Yeah, this is the precursor to
There you go.
prior
With
to getting in the oven.
Bellets over here, right? No, these are the weld,
Yeah.
and these are the bellet skinniest.
So the process after this is what?
We're gonna air it out. There's still some touch-up parts. You see this part, that
On the
black
inside.
part shows the anodizing of the
Mhm.
wheel before, previously. Gotta finish sandblasting that, making sure everything's perfect. Air it out. Then we usually put it in the oven to outgas. That takes out all the oils. If we see any issues with that, we'll sandblast it again. Other than that, keep it hung up, air it out again, and powder coat.
Yes.
Special powder coat. The business powder coat.
There we go. Time for pickup. And this is pretty much the final look. This is the best. I think this is the best angle right here. I love this angle of the car. Super dope. Hell yeah. Yeah, you know, the next portion of this video will probably just be showing you how the weight bar came out completely. Look at that. Get out of here. And yeah, I'm kind of excited for that. I'm excited to kind of get this thing off to the body shop too, get it painted, have it all be one piece. And that's it, man. I'm just motivated to try and get ready for fall nationals. You know, I'm excited. I'm trying to bring the pain, trying to bring the heat this year. You know, I don't want to hear any bullshit. I'm just ready to like send it and let's go. So until next time.